Here we are at Beervilla. Maybe one day I'll pronounce it right. Doing the jump elimination contest for the finals. These will be the winners of all these races. Here we go. We've got this one. And we've got this one. Race them. They move on.